Hey everyone, so we're at the parade right now and we haven't started walking, but we're just getting ready. So I'm just looking at the cool floats and all these people, and it's awesome. I'm excited. Here's my scooter, I decorated it. Here it is. Here's my scooter. It's beautiful. So it's super bright out here, so it's weird lighting, but I'm home now. I didn't really record a lot during the parade just because I was busy scootering and throwing out candy and belting Mamma Mia. Yeah, it was fun. Although I'm way sunburnt. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Super sunburnt. Most of that is from yesterday, but a lot of it is from today too, so hopefully I don't get more burnt. So I changed and I got in my 4th of July outfit because I had to wear green earlier for the parade. But now I can be my 4th of July outfit that I figured out. Yeah, so that's fun. And then we'll go to fireworks tonight. We have to guess, or we have to say like something theater related that the firework reminds us of.
A fireworks green, and it reminds me of
Shrek the Musical.
stuff. And one's pink.
That's red, like a cherry from Cherry Pie. It's Waitress.
And it's
Not sure why, but that reminds me of the fire in The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Blood, like red, the blood of angry men. Perfect. Black is the sky. I don't think it was gonna be a black firework. Dog of ages past. Ooh, pretty. I like the sparkles. Reminds me of the magic of theater. Haha. I made it into theater. They're screaming because they're having post-show depression. That is gunshots in the war, the Revolutionary War from Heather's. Yep. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like down below and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Fun vlogs. I'm going to start doing videos where I teach you and give you tips and stuff on monologues and things theater related. So that'll be fun. Just fun videos. So thank you again for watching. Make sure you visit my channel and check out my other videos. See you later.